I'm going to demonstrate how to blow dry your system to create body and softness in the easiest way I think you'll find possible. First of all, after you've shampooed your piece, take about 80% away of the moisture. This means you're not putting overly pressure on it and not giving it too much strain from heat. Always use your hairdryer on the middle to lowest setting. This protects it from the elements. Also use protein spray, which protects from UV and gives you some body. Apply to the all over hair. Then section off. You'll need 10 clips or 10 hair grips depending on what you have available. First of all, we're going to start at the top. It's the bit that most people want to get body from, and it means if you do the top first, it gives it more time to set in. Do your first section and blow dry. When it's dry, turn the section around like this as if you're making it into a roller shape and put a clip in to hold it in place. So as you can see, the top is finished. I've done 3 sections. Now we're going to just separate the front hair from the back hair so that we don't get too much in a muddle. So if you just put a parting above the ears and get rid of the back hair, whichever way you want to. And then we're going to blow dry the sides. The sides just lift straight in the air to give maximum volume. Again, roll the section into a roller shape and put in the clip. So now we're going to do both sides. Now we're going to go on to the back. So just get sections of hair, don't have to be too precise. And once we've done that, I'll show you how to comb it out. Put it in the shape of a roller, just put the clip through, lifting up the roots to create volume. So that's the back completed. You could leave that to cool down for 15 or 20 minutes. Then what we're going to do is take out all the clips. Just softly comb it through and stop when you have the desired effect. If you want to, you can use a light hairspray to hold it in place. There's your nice, voluminous, soft blow dry.